If you want to enable and use circle to search option on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all you have to open up your settings. Now scroll down to display and touch. Now we gotta locate our navigation mode. Great, here we have two choices, just a navigation or 3-button navigation. It doesn't really matter. The only thing what you have to enable, it's to enable our circle to search. So if this option enabled, great. So to start it with our gesture navigation, hold your finger right here, and now let's circle any object and Google will give us the whole result. That's how it works. Also, with the 3-button navigation, you're simply to tap on your home button, and once again, let's choose some object. Right, we can easily copy, translate, and Google will show us all of the available results. And basically, that's how it works, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.